I want to show you how easy it is to wrap my work up in a blanket. And when I'm done, then I just roll it right back up. Now when I start the next row, I just turn it around. So I just finished row 12 and now I'm going to work on row 13. At the end of the row, I chain 1 and I turn my work. And I go under this black thread, I tighten my brown, I yarn over and pull through and under that diagonal stitch. I yarn over and I pull through all 3. And I'm going to put my stitch marker over here so that my work doesn't unravel. And we're just going to leave these bobbins in the front for a little bit. Sometimes we can just weave it in and pull it up and it'll be a new stitch. Here this black one can get cut off because it's been isolated in part of the image already. So now we can remove this. And now I just lay my work flat and I wrap it in the blanket again so that it stays contained in that spot. Just roll this part up and I move it over and I continue working. It's always important to keep track of where you are and highlight the rows as you go. I can't count how many times I've repeated a row if I'm not paying attention. Now I'm turning rows, so I have to chain 1 and turn. I'm going to loosen the slack a little bit on the black. I am now going to do 2 black. Now I'm just going to wrap this up and turn it around.